Dude? Dude, can you please help? Just, please? This is bullshit. I'm tired. I just got off work. I just want to go home. Please? I mean, why are you just staring at me, Jason? You're being a dick. I'm stuck in the mud. Jason, help. Oh, shit. Jason, are you gonna fucking help me, dude? Okay, I don't want any trouble, man. Jason? Jason! Ow! The fuck is your problem? I just want to... Ow! What is your deal? I just want to go home. This is bullshit. Can you leave me alone? Or at least help me get out of the mud. You're setting a terrible example for your kid. Ow! Fuck! Ow! Wow! Leave me alone! This is bullshit! Your kid is... You're scaring your kid away. God, let me go. I don't want to be here. Ow! Fuck! Damn, let me... Ow! Damn it! What the fuck? What did you even achieve by doing that? You fuck! God, you asshole! I just wanted to go home. I'll fucking sleep here, whatever. This is bullshit. You ass. Fucking thanks a lot, Jason. You son of a bitch.